Welcome to video 2 of day 4. Till now we have been doing digraphs, combinations of two vowels coming together, combinations of two consonants coming together. Now here is a second concept about blends. What are blends? To make it more easy, again, when two consonants are coming together, but they are making two sounds. Here, let me share the screen and I will just take you through the concept. And as we always discuss, focus on mastering the concept. Then, your child will be more, easy, and the confidence of the child will be increasing. Now, here's you see the consonants which coming together making two sounds. For example, B and L. It's bl. C and L, cl. F and L, fl. So the common groups here which we have mentioned is BL, BR, CL, CR, so on, go on. Blends can also be towards the end also. So in order to make the learning more interesting, let me take you through the beautiful picturistic concept based worksheets and a book which we have designed specifically for children to enjoy the learnings here. So let's go for the blend blur. Blur blankets. Blur block. Blur blow. Blur blue. Blur blade. Blur blouse. Blur blender. So when they do such kind of engagement activities, they are occupied for 10 to 15 minutes in a day. It's not a hassle. The whole objective of doing concept learning at earlier is to make their foundation very, very strong. When their foundation is weak, they find learning of spelling very difficult, then comes structuring of sentence. The complication goes on increasing. So when the foundation or the concepts are very clear, children enjoy English. So over to the next. These are some combinations which are very, very easy to understand, picturistic. So like gl, br, tr, sp, fl. Can you see the pictures? They are self-explanatory. Now here there are some games which we can play with them. And now we go to the another concept which are called sight words. So as the word suggests sight, that means you see and say and you learn. And what is how they are different from other words? They don't follow any phonetic rule. So, for example, about, about. So, here we need to start introducing to the new methodology, which is called arm tapping. Can you please take out your arms and tap with your two fingers? See, tap, 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 tap. We'll start with the word before B, E, F, O, R, E. Before orange. O R A N G E. Orange. What we are doing? Why we are doing arm tapping? We are giving them the length of the word. We are giving them the spelling and memorizing. The brain is you are tapping and the child is registering in their mind. So how the spelling should be learned? This is the very important method which you should teach to your children. Now over to the next concept, which is the, let me just take you through. 1 second, please. Here, diphthongs. While I was making a curriculum for Alphasonic Phonics and Reading program, I realized things are very, very difficult and tricky. In order to make this concept clarity very easy, I made the division sector wise. So here again, when the sound of is traveling from one vowel to another, like oil. So B-O-Y, boy. Oil. O-I-L, oil. So I will take you through just 1 minute. I will share my board and let's do this. See, O and I. This is how the sound will be traveling. So for is oil, right? So from O to I, oil. Then coin. These are called concepts or sound traveling from one vowel to another vowel. Then boy. So we have kept them in one category, which is called diphthongs. So oi. Can you see? Such things are called diphthongs. Diphthongs. So I will just stop sharing and I go to the presentation here. You can see. We did all these things. So a sound formed by the combination of two vowels in a single syllable in which the sound begins as one vowel and moves towards another. They are also called gliding vowels. So diphthongs is a one concept which we have kept it separately so that there is no confusion. And the important thing is we need to do step by step. 15 minutes making a practice. You can see a wonderful change in your child. For solutions, we will be meeting you on day 5. Please do not miss your class because we will be discussing what all we can do as an earlier educator. I will share some tips. And the homework for day 4 is you have to record sight words by doing by yourself or doing it with your children and make a horizontal video and send it on our group. So Shekhar will be posting the sight words, which all you need to do it. Take out your arm, tap, 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 and record and send us the session. I hope the journey which we have covered in last 5 days has helped you all. Wish you all a very good luck. Believe me, if you make a routine of 15 to 20 minutes every day with your child, you cannot imagine what kind of difference you can create in your child's life. So start from today, spend time, bond, do activities as we have suggested, send your videos to us, and do try to be there tomorrow on day 5. Thank you for now. Bye bye.